What's the meaning of crinoline? Crinoline. Crinoline.
Crinoline. Crinoline. Crinoline refers to a stiff fabric made from horsehair and cotton or linen. It was primarily used in the 19th century as a material for women's underskirts and petticoats to create a bell-shaped silhouette. The fabric added volume and stiffness to dresses, making them appear fuller and wider than they actually were. Crinoline was also used in the construction of hats, bonnets, and other accessories. Today, crinoline is no longer widely used in fashion, but it remains an important part of historical costume design.